Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to log in Crippling HR. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, to get logged into your account, all you need to do is open a web browser of your preference. Once you have opened the web browser, simply type in the URL www.rippling.com. After you do so, you will end up in this page, so simply tap on the login option. After you do this, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do now is simply type in the email address of your account and tap on the sign in option. After this step is done, simply type in your password and hit the sign in button. After you do so, you will get logged into your account. However, if you've forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password to reset your account's password. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.